Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and today I'm going to open a big Disney Minnie Mouse magnet. I'll show you how big it is. See this? It's big as my hand, and Minnie Mouse is in pink with a pink heart and then a black and pink polka dot heart behind it. I'm going to make it smaller so I can show you guys. There we go. How big it is. See? It's as long as my hand. This is a really big magnet. And on the back it says red, but I'm pretty sure that I paid $8 for this one. I'm going to put it on my fridge. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Let's see what it looks like inside. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Alright. I'm getting nowhere with this one. No. I might have to cut it open, but I have scissors right here. So let's cut it open carefully. There we go. It's going to come out now. Okay, there it is. And see how big it is? It's the size of my hand. It's so pretty. It's nice and thick. Minnie Mouse has a tail, little ears, and a yellow bow. Really love this. On the back, it says Disney made in China, but I mean, I thought it might have the year on it, but maybe it has the year on the back of this. It's so hard to read. I'll blow it up and see if it has the year on it. Has Shop Disney. If you guys see the year on it, I may be trying to look too fast. But anyway, I bought this at the Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida for about $8, I think. And I was very excited to open it so that you guys could see it. And I live here near Orlando now, so I'm very excited. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.